Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and today on this video I wanted to share with you the exact script format that I use on my YouTube videos and also channels, so that way I can get the most amount of highest audience retention, because this is the most important thing that you have to do on a continuous basis, is get your audience retention to about 50, 60, 70%. And if you look at bigger channels, they're using this exact formula to hook the viewer first and then give them what they want. So I'll walk you through the formula and step by step, so that way you can take this and apply to your own YouTube automation business. And also you want to stay till the end, because at the end I'll be revealing something that you don't just want to miss. So let's get started. So I've got my document ready here, so I can walk you through, right? So the first thing that you need to do is to hook the audience or the viewer very quickly with what is given to them in the thumbnail and the title, because this is the first thing that a viewer sees. Is first they look at your thumbnail and then they go underneath and they read your title, right? So this is the most important thing, is how you actually craft your thumbnail and your title. Because if your title and thumbnail doesn't speak to the audience, and for them to get them convinced and click on the thumbnail, you won't get that audience retention. And in that way your actual CTR will actually drop, because even though YouTube is showing your thumbnail and your title to audience, but they're not actually clicking on it. So this has to be make the audience very curious, right? So the more curious that you make the audience, the more they're going to be clicking on your thumbnail. So, and also I see most of the time, especially the beginners, they try to put all the keywords in their title, which is a big no-no. So what I actually aim for is 50 characters, right? 50 characters for your title only, because if you look at on the browse feature on your home page on YouTube, you'll actually see the 50 characters, and after the 50 characters your title will be cutting off. So what I tell is, like, you want to hook the viewer with the clickbait style of title, which is related to the video in the beginning, and then after that they can put keywords, right? So 50 characters is the most that you want to use, right? So hook the viewer first, and then you need to provide them with the what. Okay, so this is very quickly explain what the video is about, right? When someone clicks and starts watching a video, they actually do not provide what are they actually going to be, the video is going to be about. They start telling all these stories, like, subscribe, and make sure you give a thumbs up, make sure you share our videos. So that's a big no-no, because on my actual videos I don't include any of that. I don't even get audience to I don't tell audience to subscribe, because automatically, if they like my content, they'll automatically subscribe. So they don't need to be told to subscribe to the channel. And if you look at any of the YouTube videos out there, they only talk about that you need to subscribe to the channel. No, they don't need to tell you that. It's automatically, if someone loves your content so much, they'll automatically subscribe. And if you look at my channel, it's a very small channel. I never tell audience to subscribe to my channel, right? I know if someone likes my content, if someone likes the knowledge I'm giving, the value I'm providing, they'll automatically subscribe. So I don't need to tell audience to subscribe to my channel, right? So this is very important. Very quickly explain what the video is about, and then after that you need to provide them why. Okay, why they need to watch the video and what will they get out of watching it, right? So this is important, and this doesn't need to be that long. This can be only happens in like within 15 to 20 seconds. right? So very quickly they need to be told all this process. So this is the hook, what and why formula, and this goes, you can give this formula to your scriptwriter and tell them in the beginning, use the hook and then what and then why they need to watch the video, right? 15 to 20 seconds it will be under, and then this needs to be only few sentences, like it doesn't need to be paragraph after paragraph, right? So few sentences, right? It can be like between 15 to 20 seconds like I explained to you. Okay, so now I'll explain and show you exactly the bigger channels who are actually using this formula. So if you go to this channel here, they're using this formula very every single video they're using this exact formula. So if I go to this channel, this is like a celebrity style of channel, right? And if you look at the videos, a snake ate my dad, right? So you can see some sort of thumbnail very like clickbait style. And then if I click on that, you'll see that they'll tell about the snake that ate their dad, right? And you'll see how they're actually hooking you, how they're actually telling the story, what and why. They'll very quickly explain and then why you need to watch this. So I'll play this so you can watch it. Okay.
Hey, what's up guys, Perplexify here, and in this video, we'll be counting down insane moments that'll make your jaw drop. And disclaimer, never try anything in this video, all stunts were done by trained professionals. But anyways, pay close attention to where the ball is. This is the hardest difficulty.
Okay, see how this video doesn't even relate to the actual thumbnail and title, but you see how they actually hooked you in, right? I'll start again and you'll see this is called like the playing with your mind, playing with the storytelling, and then trying to hook you, right? Just watch.
Hey, what's up guys, Perplexify here, and in this video, we'll be counting down insane moments that'll make your jaw drop. And disclaimer, never try anything in this video, all stunts were done by trained professionals. But anyways, pay close attention to where the ball is.
Right, so this is so funny, and it's nothing got to do with the snake and the eating the dad, but like, see how they're hooking you? So keep watching it.
The hardest difficulty.
Right, so they actually hooked you now, so you're going to be watching it, right? They're just playing with you now. So oh, this is crazy.
Drop a like if you're one of the 8% of people who can get this right. Now these are some actual ninja cats. Watch what they...
So they just hooked you, and now you're just going to be watching it. I guarantee you, right? Another channel that actually does that is Mr. Beast, and he's really good at hook, what and why, and that's the reason why he's getting so much views on his actual video, because every single video is exactly using the same formula.
We're gonna fly on this jet that cost...
Okay, I'll play this. So $1 versus you'll see very quickly, $1 versus 500,000 plane tickets. So he'll tell you how he actually hooks you, what and why.
We're gonna fly on this jet that costs $500,000 per flight.
Right? And so he hooked you now, told you what actually in the title and the thumbnail now.
We're also gonna fly on this $25,000 private jet, a $10,000
right? So he's explaining exactly
first class seat, a blimp, and so much more. But before I show you what it's like to fly on some of the most luxurious planes on the planet, we're gonna fly on the cheapest plane in the world. It's really rickety. Here's the dollar. I'm very
So
nice.
you actually hooked now. So very quickly, and the video started very fast. So it's a fast-paced video, and then it's only under 50 seconds. He already told you exactly hook, what and why. Okay, now it's just about storytelling, and you're gonna be hooked. You're gonna be keep on watching. So those are the exact formula that I use: hook, what and why in my script. for me to get that highest audience retention. So thank you again for watching, and like I said, I'll be revealing something very, very great. In the description section I have put a link there. Any one of you, if you're looking to get started with your own online business for very, very cheap, I put a link there, enter detail, and also you'll get a free digital book you can read on how you can escape the matrix, because we are all caught up in a matrix, like working 9 to 5, working very, very hard just to get a job and getting college degree, right? It's like we are trapped in the matrix. So it will break everything down, and it's actually an escape plan that that will be given to you, so you can read and then follow the instructions, and everything will be provided there. So again, I'll also be putting my Facebook link in there in case if you need a monetized channel, if you need my guidance for us to even build your channel, or you're looking for mentoring advice, see if we can help you with your channel, also reach out to us. And also I'll put all the resources in the description and also in the comment section. So again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video, and until next time, my God bless you all, and bye for now.